Hello guys, welcome to our today's lesson. We want to discuss the equation of a tangent and get to write the equation, as well as get to know the steps that one needs to take in order to arrive at the correct equation. So for those of us who are interested on the tangent, I want to begin by giving the meaning of a tangent. And a tangent is a line that touches the edges of a curve or a circle at one point but does not cross it. So let's see how it looks like. So this is the curve that we have and a line running from one point to another. This one is called now a tangent. This is what we call a tangent. On a different case whereby we have a circle here, and let's assume that a line is cutting the lower part like this. This one is a tangent. This one is a tangent also. So in these two different cases, where we have a curve, a line that is touching a curve, this one is a tangent. And in the case of a circle, the line which touches the circle at a point, this one is called a tangent. So there are steps followed for one to arrive at the correct equation of the circle of the tangent. The equation of a tangent. Now I need to remind us that the equation of a tangent is written in this form: y minus y1 is equals to m. We open the bracket, x minus x1. We all know that m is the gradient, y1 is a point, and x1 is another point. So let us begin. We want to look at the steps followed for one to write the correct equation. Steps followed for one to write the correct equation. Number one, the first step that is followed is we need to find the derivative. Find the derivative of the function that you've been given. Step number two, we need to substitute the x value or the x coordinate to be able to get the gradient, and then the third step is we substitute the gradient we have already that we've calculated in the second step. Substitute the gradient and the coordinates to get an appropriate equation. The very last step that we are going to consider is to make y the subject. We make y the subject. Now let us have one question here, to be able to make meaning out of the steps that we have. So the question reads, find the equation of a tangent to the curve. Find the equation of a tangent to the curve given by y is equals to 3x squared at a point given by 1 comma 3. This is the point. So let us have a solution. We are going to look at all the steps. The first step, we want to find the derivative of the function dy dx of the function. This is the function that we have. So the derivative is going to be 6x. The next thing is to find the gradient. So the gradient is going to be 6. We insert the value for x here. 6 times 1 is going to give us 6. So this is our gradient. Our m is equals to 6. We proceed to our formula that says y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. We already have our y1. This is our x1 and this is our y1. So we substitute the value into the formula. So y minus y1, which is in fact 3, is equals to m, is our gradient, which is 6. We multiply by x minus x1, which is 1 minus 1. And then we open the bracket here. We are going to have y minus 3 is equals to, this is 6x minus 6. We put the like terms together. Y is equals to 6x, then minus 6 plus what? Plus 3. So y is equals to 6x minus what? Minus 3. And this is the equation of a tangent. This is the equation of a tangent. You realize that this discussion is very important for high school students and also university students. So continue watching and subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much.